Hi there, this is Brian Maravich, and I want to introduce you to a new plugin that I had created, and it's really cool because basically it helps you build your site by getting your subscribers and visitors to submit pictures and text for any page or post on your WordPress site. The reason I had it created is because I've been doing this sort of thing for years on some of my static sites, and it's probably the most important thing that I do in terms of longevity and getting, in terms of traffic, natural search engine traffic, and traffic from the images. And so the way I've been doing it on the static sites is I get my subscribers and visitors to submit images and for them to talk about them. I also use them to get testimonials, and I get my subscribers to do reviews of various products in the niche, et cetera, et cetera. And this is basically the same thing, but for any WordPress site. So here's how it works. On any post or page, you can put this widget on, this plugin, and here's how it will look to your average visitor who comes to your site. This is my kayak fishing site as an example. This is a post. This is actually a link that will link right down to the widget itself. You don't have to do this. This is something that you can do manually, and I can show you how to do that. So let's just go ahead and do that. Right down, that scrolls right down the page to this area where your subscribers and visitors will see this and be inclined to hopefully upload an image and talk about it. And that's basically how it works. So I've already uploaded 2 here as an example. This is how it will look. And so what they will do is they'll click this to upload an image, put a title, a caption, description, and then if they want to put in more images, they click here, and that's up to you to decide how many images they can put up. Name, email, country, CAPTCHA, submission guidelines page, they hit submit, and then it's not automatically posted. For it to get actually posted to the site, you have to approve it manually in your dashboard. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so I'm in the dashboard of the kayak fishing site, and once you upload or get the plugin installed and activated, you're going to want to set it up properly. You have to do that to get it to work properly, and it's very simple. The way to access it is not through the actual plugins, although it will be listed there. You go to Tools, click on Front End Image Add, and here it is. As you can see, here's the 2 test images I put up already. They're both already approved. If you had a new image and text from a subscriber or visitor, this would say approve or approve. And then you would click it, and then it's automatically approved and active on your site, and that's why it says unapproved. Okay, so settings. This is really important to set this up right. You get to allocate the number of images that you allow someone to put up. I have 4 there. I'd like to put, for the image size allowable, 56 kilobytes. Description limit, maybe around 5,000, 10,000, whatever you want, because sometimes people like to write a lot. This is a cool feature. After they submit their image and text, after they click submit, they'll be redirected to a page of your choice. So an obvious choice would be a thank you page. I have here allocated the About Us page, but what you'd want to do is just create a thank you page specific for this actual plugin, redirect them there, and you can put all kinds of stuff there, offers, just a simple thank you, etc. The form width, you can allocate here how wide you want the form to be on across your site. The form title, we kind of already discussed that. The title in the widget on any page or post will say whatever you say here. And same thing with the description. Then this is something that I recommend, is you have a submissions guideline page just to kind of cover yourself. I give you one in Word form. You can use that. There's no guarantee that it's going to cover all of your bases legally when it comes to images and stuff. It's the one I use, so it's up to you. I give it to you, and that's for you to decide. So then you would click Save Changes, and now it's set up properly. And like I said, you'd go back to images and check here to see if anything's been submitted and then approve it. And a neat thing to do would be to email the people who submitted and to say, hey, your image is up, check it out. And then also you can also mention, of course, to have them share it and all that kind of stuff to get you some even more visibility across networks of your visitors and subscribers. So that's it in a nutshell. I found this to be an extreme value for the short term and long term. Building my sites, most of my sites, I'd say at least half of all of my sites, my static sites up till now, were built using a tool similar to this by having my subscribers and visitors generate content for me and images. So there's all kinds of cool uses for this. I hope you find it helpful in your business, and I will talk to you soon.